everybody, I am unboxing this Barbie Extra Fancy. She's so beautiful and she has these super cute accessories. Look here, the bears and the bear handbag, the ice cream, and this is the cutest thing to me, the shoes, the socks in the shoes and the bears on the clothes. Okay. I still want that one. Okay. I don't know, maybe I should start here, like it looks like you should start here. I really don't want to destroy the package, but you know. Okay, I'm just gonna come out at all. I know. Okay. I really like these pictures, they are really cute, you know. Oh wow, look, her hair is this long. It's almost like a totally hair Barbie. It's so long, it's wonderful, I really love it. Wow. And these are silver glasses, not see-through, but that's okay when it's silver. This is, I guess, bracelet. It's cool. It's silver color. And this one is like the teddy bear handbag. It's really cute, pink teddy bear. It's cute, I really like it. It's cute. And this is an ice cream that's been chewed on. It's really cute. I think that's cute. It's in pink and orange stick. And here it's a bracelet. And I thought it would be like the usual more boring ones. Hey, look, but these are a different pattern. It looks more well made. It's cute. Okay. Okay. And these dolls, they are called, she's called like Extra Fancy. And some things look a bit more extra fancy. Like, look at this. Look here. Like, she has gloves on. I didn't notice that at first. And like long gloves, look like ballroom gloves. That's really nice. And she has this handbag. It's like a heart. And it's really nice. It's really cute. And she has like a bracelet or a watch. Look, watch like a bear. Really nice. And the gloves, like a very classic model. And oh, and the bear. So cute. I really love this bear. Look at this. Of the pets in the Barbie Extra, I think I like this one the most. Yeah, it's so long. Okay. Is she loose now? Okay, she is saved. Okay. Everything. So, okay, and just look at her. Look, she is so beautiful, and look at the hair. The hair is so long. It's so thick, and this glove on the other hand as well. So. And she has like this, look, this dress is like a teddy bear print, and it's one of the, I think it's one of the cutest Barbie doll dresses I have almost like ever seen. It's stunning look. And is this like a cape? It seems like it is. This, and it is bear printed, and this is bear printed, Barbie bear printed, and this cape like this, so it's just not like it's like a almost like a cardigan kind of cape, a long jacket or something. Oh, okay. And it's like the bears. Look at the, oh, it's so cute. And so no panties, but, and you know, here you can open it like in back here, and her hair is just like hair everywhere. I guess you can take these out if you want to, but I really don't want to really ruin the hair because she has really nice hair. It's like a totally hair Barbie almost. The earrings are beautiful. She has like light purple, light lilac makeup and lipstick, silver like accessories, and the shoes are, they have like silver there and light blue, and pink socks, short socks, and she's really beautiful. These are the glasses. Matches the outfit, quite bear watch, and extra handbag, and I think the bear can hold the ice cream also, like this. Like this. It's cute. The bear can hold the ice cream. And the extra, like this one. A bit hard to put on because of the gloves, but and one of these also. Okay, she's really pretty. She's really cute, and I got her for kind of cheap, so she wasn't so expensive. I really like her. She's very pretty, and the hair is amazing, absolutely amazing, and like she's wonderful. And the socks are, look at her. She's amazing. Okay, but you can see her at least. So Barbie extras are discontinued in 2024, and this one is from 2022. So if you can go buy her for cheap, so do, because she's very pretty. So okay, goodbye.